it's on. This thing's on. Good morning, guys. It's Dallas from Faulkner Toyota. This is a public service announcement. A public service announcement that we have overstock in new car vehicles. It is sick. Jen, do a little pan for them. Show the audience what we got going on here. Now come back to me. It's all about me. Listen, guys, we have too much stock. We are accepting every reasonable offer. We're crazy aggressive. We're making deals. It's got to go. We have no room for service. The employees can't even park. We have new cars on new cars on new cars. Come get them now. Faulkner Toyota, to be sure.